Today we are going to talk about volleyball. Volleyball. Volleyball, game played by two groups, as a rule of 6 players on a side, wherein the players utilize their hands to hit a ball to and fro over a high net, attempting to make the ball contact the court inside the opponent's playing zone before it may be returned. To forestall this, a player on the rival group hits the ball up and toward a teammate, who then volleys it back over the net or hits it to a third teammate who volleys it over the net. A group is permitted just 3 bits of the ball before it must be returned over the net. History. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan, the head of the Young Men's Christian Association, or YMCA, in Holyoke, Massachusetts. It was structured as an indoor game for specialists who found the new round of b-ball excessively fiery. Morgan called the game Mintonette until an educator from Springfield College in Massachusetts noticed the volleying idea of play and proposed the name of volleyball. The first guidelines were composed by Morgan and imprinted in the main release of the official handbook of the Athletic League of the Young Men's Christian Associations of North America in 1897. The game before long demonstrated to have wide intrigue for both genders in schools, play areas, the military, and different associations in the United States, and it was along these lines acquainted with different nations. The main standards, recorded by William G. Morgan, required a net 6 feet 6 inches high, a 25 feet into 50 feet court, and any number of players. A match was made out of 9 innings with 3 serves for each group in every inning, and no restriction to the number of ball contacts for each group before sending the ball to the rival's court. In 1916, principles were given together by the YMCA and the National Collegiate Athletic Association, or NCAA. The meets across the country were completed in the United States and were led by the National YMCA Physical Education Committee in New York City in 1922. The United States Volleyball Association, or USVBA, was shaped in 1928 and perceived as the principles-making, overseeing body in the United States. From 1928, the USVBA, presently known as USA Volleyball or USAV, has directed yearly national men's and senior men's age 35 and more seasoned volleyball titles, except during 1944 and 1945. Its ladies division began in 1949 and a senior ladies division aged 30 and more seasoned was included in 1977. Other national occasions in the United States are directed by part gatherings of the USAV, for example the YMCA and the NCAA. Volleyball was brought into Europe by American soldiers during World War I when national associations were framed. The Fédération Internationale de Volleyball, or FIVB, was sorted out in Paris in 1947 and moved to Lausanne, Switzerland in 1984. The USVBA was one of the 13 sanctioned individuals from the FIVB whose participation developed more than 210 part nations by the late 20th century. Worldwide volleyball rivalry started in 1913 with the first Far East Games in Manila. During the mid-1900s and proceeding until after World War II, volleyball in Asia was played on a bigger court with a lower net and 9 players in a group. That is all for this video. To know more about sports, please like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Turn on the notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos.